कैसे जियो मैं यहाँ आंसुओं से भीगा भीगा नींदों से है टूटी आँखें पलकों पे भी है दुआ टूटे हुए दिल के बारे। Hello LBB, this is Jyotsna Ramandar, singer, songwriter, performer. Welcome to my beautiful home in Mumbai. So this is my drawing area with a small cute kitchen and dining space. There was a wall in between, but I did not want any walls in between friendships, in between chatters. I wanted it to be a whole beautiful, lovely space to hang out. So let me take you to my kitchen where there are like a lot of DIY corners which I've created with like leftover things or whatever decoration that somebody gifts you. I just try to keep those things and make something out of it. Something like this bottle here, which is like just some bottle, and then I just put some lights in it, and I just kept it with this tea and sugar corner, and voila, I have a cute corner. And that's me drinking like 1 liter tea every day in the morning. This is my vintage fridge, very, very, very old, but I've tried to make it new with all the things that I love, like pasta and ice cream and travel, everything. This is my glass and cups corner. So you'll see a lot of these tea cups and tea mugs, and this is something which I made out of dried nail paint, which I use for watering my plants. And I have to have lights everywhere for it to give it like that cute feel. And this kitchen is for dancing. So whenever anybody comes, they have to do a little jiggy. Yeah, so let me take you to my drawing room. So this is my drawing room, which is an extended part of kitchen where I do my dance practices, my yoga in the morning. I also paint here at times, and I love to entertain my friends in the evening. I actually wanted it to look like an art gallery come home. So yeah, so I put all my paintings here on this wall. So there are some oil paintings here. There are some water paintings which are like quick illustrations done in like 15 minutes. There's this painting which I don't like anymore, so I've hidden it behind that lavender pot. This is done with leftover paints. So yeah, that's my Parisian, tropical, chic, old school but modern drawing room. So this is my old furniture which I really loved, so I did not want to throw it, so I painted it white because I love white, and then I put these very interesting knobs on it. If you see it closely, this is Van Gogh's Starry Night painting. Since I've grown up looking at a lot of painters and their arts, I'm really inspired by that. So if you see different knobs in my house, that's quite a story in itself. So this is my dining area, which has this table which is again painted, and I put this granite on it, and this is my island which is also used for painting. And let me take you to my dry balcony, which has a very, very beautiful pots which were like my mom had given me steel dabbas which I did not want to throw. There was no space to keep it because, you know, Mumbai houses. So what I decided is I painted them and made them into these pots where I've put my plants in it, and yeah, it looks like really pretty. I love them. This painting is like, I just put it for that illusion that the house doesn't end here, and I love bougainvillea and roses, so some flowers here. So let me take you to my music room. But before that, let me show you some paintings in my alley, which has this digital art, which is a very mysterious painting. That's why I bought it, because it's like a painting where people have debate on whether there are 4 faces, there are 5 faces. There's always a debate on this one. I love the mystery about it. And there's this beach painting because I'm a beach lover. So this is my cute little cozy music room, which also has my bed, which is handmade again, with a lot of imperfections, and I love that because it's handmade, painted again. And this fabric is also something which I gave it to him, like the print, and he printed it out on a fabric, and that's how we achieved this look of this bed, which is very Parisian. And this room has a little bit of tropical feel to it. This is very much like my personality. And again, these wardrobes, I've changed the knobs to make it look new and different. This is my cute little corner, which has my side table, which is again my old side table, which I've painted. And if you can see the knobs, there's this butterfly on the knobs, which is very pretty. I love the knobs, and it just makes this whole thing look so pretty. Let me take you to my guitar corner, which has my guitar. I love playing my guitar. I love jamming in this room. This is my music room. I do my riyaz here. The main thing I love about this room is this painting, which is waking up in Paris. I wanted something which says that, and I got that. How lovely is that? So let me take you to the second room. No, but before that, let me show you something which is so cute. This is a piece which is made by my friend's mother, the crochet piece. She gifted me that. That was a key holder. But I made it into a basket with these lavender things, put a flower on it, and it looks cute, I think. Yeah, I love it. So let me take you to my other room, which is my bedroom, which has a completely different vibe. It has a very zen vibe because I like to relax in this room. I usually enter this room in the night, and I love to relax here, read sometimes. It has this console which has these paintings, which are again like quick illustrations of Paris again. There's this painting which I had gone to a place and had clicked a picture and then made it into a painting. This is Spiti Buddha, and I love plants as usual. You'll see a lot of plants in this house because I love green element in every corner. If you don't know what to do with the corner, just put a beautiful plant there and that's it, your corner is set. So this corner has this piece which I bought from Goa, which is a handmade fabric which I converted into a painting. And it also has my guitar, which you'll see me someday on stage very soon. Let me take you to my master bathroom. Hey! So there's art in the bathroom also, and a plant also. Kabhi dekha hai? Badhiya. That's me. That's totally me. So here also there was a cabinet here which was brown earlier, but I wanted it to go with the theme of the painting and the flasks, and so I painted it sage green again, changed the knobs, and yeah, I hope you like it. So now let me take you to my most beautiful, my most favorite place in the whole house, which is my balcony, where I've tried to bring romance of Paris in Mumbai. Where I've painted these chairs again. They were cushion chairs. I took out the cushion and tried to get the right kind of green, the sage green. Getting that color right was quite a task, but I hopefully got it right. So those are painted again. This lamp is also painted. It's a metal lamp with metal flowers. Tried to match that with my chairs. Then there's this corner which has these drawers, which were drawers of my temple actually, which I've just put it on the wall and painted it again with these interesting knobs and put the cutest plants here actually. I love these plants. Then there's this cute art, again digital art here. Some lights which I always like. There's this house which is made again out of a cosmetic dabba actually. Uska wo ghar bana diya humne. So yeah, that's a beautiful balcony. Thank you so much for watching my episode. For more such content, please subscribe to LBB's Homely Newsletters.